Today we're going to show you how to properly clean the fold rolls in your Baum 714XLT. First and foremost, before you get started, you're going to want to make sure that you unplug the folder from its power source. After you've disconnected the power to the folder, you're going to want to gain access to these fold rolls. You're going to need to remove the feed table just to get it out of the way. And you're going to want to remove the slitter shafts just to get you more access to these rolls. Fold pans. And then the roll guards. Now you have all the guarding, fold plates, and feed table out of the way, and you're ready to get started cleaning your rolls. Now with your rolls exposed, you're going to want to use a cleaner that is safe on your fold rolls. Baum Folder only recommends using Sure Wash roll cleaner on your fold rolls. You want to start off by pouring some of the Sure Wash on a clean rag, and then begin wiping on your fold rolls. While I'm wiping, I'm also turning the hand wheel on the fold rolls, which allows you to be able to clean the entire surface area of the rolls. You want to make sure that while continuing to turn the hand wheel, you also get the rolls underneath as well. Putting a little bit of elbow grease to remove the buildup of dirt on your fold rolls. Once you have your rolls clean, you're going to want to start putting the machine back together. You want to first start by putting your roll guards back on. I'll start with my upper roll guard, making sure that once it's in place, you tighten it securely with an Allen wrench. Then I'm going to place my slitter shafts back into position and put my feed table back into place. Then the rear guard back into position. Again, not just hand tightening it into position, but using your Allen wrench to make sure that it is set and the guard is tight. Now that I have the roll guards in place, I want to come around and give a couple turns on the fold wheel just to make sure that none of my guards are grinding on my rolls. And I can do that by just feeling how smooth they move and listening for any grinding marks before I put in the fold plates. And now we can install our fold plates. Pan 1, and now plate 2. Roll is clean and your folder put back together. You want to take a blank piece of 8.5 by 11 stock and run it through the folder. This is going to help pick up any of the excess sure wash that might be still left on the rolls. After that, you should be ready to go with your rolls clean.